Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Are you struggling to find clients or leads online? So in this video, I'll show you how to use Claude AI to find high quality leads fast. So let's get started. Claude AI can help you identify your target audience, generate lead lists, and even write outreach messages. So start by telling Claude who you want to target, such as find target customers for a video editing service. Claude will suggest ideal clients like YouTubers, agencies, and small businesses. Then ask Claude where to find these leads. For example, where can I find YouTubers who need video editing? It may suggest YouTube channels, Instagram pages, LinkedIn, freelance platforms, as well as some e-commerce and D2C brands, event planners and wedding videographers, filmmakers, etc. So you can choose whoever you want. So you can manually collect leads from those platforms, and you can even ask Claude to organize it into a clean list or segment these leads by niche. So this makes your outreach easier. And then you could ask Claude to generate messages, such as write a cold DM for offering video editing services. You'll get ready to send messages for email, Instagram, LinkedIn, and you can personalize each message before sending. This increases your chance of getting replies. And that's how you find leads using Claude AI. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.